Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today, Yousite will show you how to properly clean your Zebra ZXP3 card printer to ensure print quality and long-term use of the device. First, let's introduce the long, T-shaped cleaning card. This card can effectively remove dust, debris, contaminants, and ink residue on the conveyor rail to improve printing quality. Let's see how to use it. Simply insert the cleaning card into the conveyor track and run it over and over to clean the cleaning rollers. This maintains print quality and extends the life of the printhead. IPA Soak Cleaning Card, clean the transfer roller, and improve the quality of the printer's printing graphics. In addition to cleaning cards, we have other tools that can help us clean the printer, such as cleaning pens, squeeze sponges, sponge swabs, and cleaning wipes. The cleaning pen is used to clean the print head. And the squeezing sponge swabs can also effectively clean the print head. Sponge swabs are great for cleaning deep areas. Finally, use cleaning wipes to clean the printer's interior and exterior housing, as well as contaminated components, including the transfer roller. With these simple cleaning steps, we can ensure your printer is always in top condition, providing you with high-quality prints. Thank you for watching this video of Yousite. If you have any questions or needs, please feel free to contact us.